Welcome back to Baz's Cooking. Today we're going to be doing some jalapeno poppers in our Weber kettle. These are a great side dish or entree and go with just about everything. They are so easy and simple and taste delicious. So without wasting any more time, let's go light her up. Righto, you can take these stems off, I normally do, but you don't have to. Cut our poppers in half. And then you just want to get your spoon and just pull all this filling out. All the seeds and stems. So now that our jalapenos are popped out, we can get our cream cheese sorted. So we'll go and dump our Philly and our sweet chili sauce. The good thing about these is you can fill them with whatever. So you don't have to do sweet chili. You just get whatever kind of Philly you like, or cream cheese. I did let this sit out for 5-10 minutes as well before you start making it. Just softens it up a bit, makes it a bit easier. Now I have also finally chopped some chorizo and fried it off, so it's nice and crispy. I'm going to put that in as well. Give that a mix. Good to go. So we'll get our piping bag, get our mixture straight in. Start filling our poppers. Look at that. Beautiful. Now comes the fun part. Today we're using streaky bacon, and we're just going to cut it down the middle and we'll be able to use it for another piece. Start it running like this. Tuck it in. And then wrap it till it gets to the other side at the bottom here. Like so. Get a toothpick. And just puncture it through like that. There you have it. Now we can put some rub on. We're going to be doing a jalapeno black rub. I haven't got much of this one left, so we'll see how far we get. Now we're going to do it. And we've also got our honey hog. Good to go. We're aiming for about 130-ish degrees Celsius, so at about 115 I'm going to start closing my bottom vents. just leaving a slight gap, and we'll come back 5ish minutes later and have a look. So our poppers are done, but I want to crisp up our bacon a little bit more. So I've just opened all of my bottom vents, and we're currently at just over 150 degrees Celsius. So we're going to leave it for another half an hour to 45 minutes, and then we'll come back and have a look. While we're waiting, I'm going to get the other half of our meal sorted, and that's a beautiful piece of Western Australian Dhufish. I don't actually have any footage of this being caught, but there will definitely be some to come, so stay tuned for that. All I'm doing with this is some butter, garlic, and of course salt and pepper. You never need much with fresh fish, as you don't want to overpower it, so just keep it very simple. No, it's not burnt, it's that black jalapeno rub. So we've just put this in a wrap and called it a day. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let us know, and we'll see us for the Christmas special. Thank you. See the dog. Can you see the dog? No, come on. Welcome back. Welcome back to Baz's Chicken. Today, would you like to go outside? Is that what you want? Okay. Welcome back. Shh. Oi! I'm gonna come up just short, you motherfuckers. That's literally the fucking end of it. Like so. Get a tooth. Get a toothpick. Oh, it's not fucking streaky bacon.
That's really annoying, don't you think so?
What?
It's so uneven.
What?
It's very ugly.